Alright, I'm at the bus today. We're gonna go and change out the brakes. My mechanic's gonna be here a little bit, and we're gonna go and do the back ones, both the rotors and calipers. We already did the past, but found out that the rotors and calipers were bad, and we'll take care of that. Check it right on the axle.
This is real important.
Okay.
This thing here,
Yeah.
let's call it spacer.
Okay.
I can turn the compressor off, right?
Yeah. Spacer.
All right.
Check it.
Check it out. The top bolt and the bottom bolt. Pull that whole caliper and everything off.
Bottom bolt.
Cisco.
Yes, sir.
I need that torque bit.
What?
Come here.
I know it's like that.
Yeah,
I can beat the thing up.
right here.
Oh, look at it. Let me see.
Right there.
Yeah, I know. It's like the 50. Remember?
Huh?
The 50 one that I listed?
I don't know what it is.
Let's see what you got, my friend.
Need a pair of vice grips too.
Yes, sir.
Just hand me those Allen wrenches we had that you got from up at Preston's yesterday.
Only thing on the... There you go.
It's not a torque. It's not a torque bit. It's a one inch.
Okay, yeah.
Oh, yeah, got it. It's too big.
Done?
Yeah. Got a plumber
Okay,
seven.
smaller than that.
That's it. Right. Is this right here, buddy?
Yeah,
Right here. Is this right here? Yes. Okay, that goes right here in this hole here. Hammer. Now we like to have it. That goes in between here and there, okay? That's got to go on here like this. And they're good to get in and out sometimes. Okay, yeah. Where's the caliper? Cisco, I need those vice grips. Bang. And a 5/8 or 11/16 wrench. Get this out first. All right. Oh yeah. Just help me back here. Here's what you do here. You record voice too. Yes, sir. You clamp this line off to keep the fluid from getting around, or stop it from getting air up into the. Okay, you have a reach. I need a 7/8. 22's just hanging the nuts. They didn't have standard back then. Got it. I got it.
You need a little bucket that the oil's gonna drip on?
Maybe. You can put that back up. What did I teach you? You got to hit it right.
Oh, yeah,
here.
no, you're right.
Stuck like Chuck. Move this, all this out. Put it back up. Please. No more out here than we gotta have.
It moved.
That's all I need. Screwdriver, big one. I got it to move. It's been off before.
Okay.
It's all right. Let it drip.
That's what I got that one.
Okay, pull that out. Pull it out. Says on tailgate truck. A little spring in it. No, there's clips. Oh. Not
I'm
that.
messing with you here.
Boy,
Gotta kill them on the toes, you know?
it ain't the time to play.
No, but this is perfect because look, that's too big.
That's what your old lady needs to hit you in the head with. Give me a socket that size out of that yellow bucket.
It's a big.
You may have to bring the yellow bucket over.
One of these, look, see, that's too big.
That's way too big.
I got it right here, man.
I don't think you do.
Maybe this one, okay? That's it. Oh, it's too small.
Give me a. No, that might be right.
This is probably it.
Give me a chisel.
Okay, let me see.
Way too big.
I got you.
It's the one in between what we don't have, probably.
Sure.
Is this good?
What?
Yeah. I didn't think I had one. Made in the USA.
Yeah. Got a lot of use out of it.
Well, those things are like $50 a piece. And I got a herd of them. Because not every truck takes the same one. 3/4 gonna be.
The same number, cross-reference.
Okay, that's fine.
But caliper doesn't look right.
It's probably right.
Okay.
Like I said, it's probably just an upgrade.
All right. It's just not as wide.
Yeah. We'll find out. Come on, get out there. Cisco. Yeah, I called you. See if you can find us a piece of plywood or something laying around.
Today on?
Huh?
Today's on the wood.
Yeah, to lay this on. I don't want it laying in this dirt.
I got a pretty big piece in my back of my truck.
Okay, that'll work. You don't mind getting it all greasy, do you? Found one! Cisco, I really need you over here. Now that's a big old piece.
Yeah, just to cover up the bed of my truck.
That'll work.
Yeah. Storm that. Whatever.
Yeah. I'm gonna have you do it. Alright, now just take it. Come on, pick it up. Let's pick it up. Is it stuck? What? Yeah. Give me that bar right there, will you?
Okay.
stuck on?
Huh?
Where's it stuck on?
I don't know. Pull it back. Just put the pressure on it going back. No, pull back. Yeah.
There you go.
Stuck on the seal. Here. Now lay it down. Turn it up.
Up.
Turn that rotor up. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, there you go. All right. Take the moistures out of there.
Yeah.
And this is called a wheel seal.
Okay.
Watch your head. Right here.
Yeah.
We can put it back in there without putting a new one in it. You're taking a 50-50 chance of it leaking, but this thing's about 70 bucks a piece.
All right.
So
You think O'Reilly's have one right now, or?
I kind of doubt they have one for this old one.
Okay.
We'll just put that other new rotor on there, tighten and bolt it down. Strong back.
Yeah, but we've been putting in a lot of work.
Hell, you had all morning off,
First time ever,
and I'm over here. I'm out here chasing parts. I'm working.
I was waiting for you to come get me.
I told you I wasn't gonna come get you
No, I
until I
know,
found
I know.
them parts.
You get to call me.
Go. I can't call you.
You call me, tell me.
You ain't got no fucking phone. How can I call
You
you?
call my number out of my girl's number.
I don't even talk to her.
So, okay. 7 8 seconds. I got you.
Thin wall.
I got you.
Gotta have a thin wall.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, after we get all this done, then we'll deal with the governor and get the speed up.
Yeah.
You
I'll
have
help you out.
Yeah.
On the hill.
Yeah.
is that thin wall?
Yeah, it's in.
I don't think that's deep enough.
It ain't gonna.
Is it not-
It's not gonna go.
Oh, okay.
Gonna have to have a stink.
Yes, I got you.
There's a lot of people moving around out here today.
Yeah.
And big enough?
Yeah, that's normal. Only got two.
What's wrong with you?
Put that on the Jordan. We gotta do that other side.
Well,
Oh, brake cleaner. That's good. I got it. Go see if you can find me a paper towel.
I got your rag, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, I got paper towels.
I got paper towels.
What do you got? You want to hit the other part, bro?
Huh?
You don't want to hit the other part?
No.
Okay.
I done hit it.
Oh, I'm saying spray it. Like.
No, he only got one can. See a number?
Yeah, where do you want the number from here?
Yeah, no, it's gonna be up here on this.
Still looks pretty good.
Yeah, it's still
It was
looks
just
good.
dirty. It was just dirty.
Just dirty.
You don't get the number on there. Should be-
All right, now you ready? Get that so much back up there.
Yeah, the number is 02.
Hold on. No.
You want to know it or not? Right there. At the top. Get it? It's rough. 03 or not.
The part number? Or?
I don't see it.
I don't see any.
I thought I felt it right here. What was it?
That's a bearing.
Oh, yeah, I just,
What you
yeah,
want? Right here.
No,
yeah.
Oh, I'm sorry.
I just,
probably gonna be on the inside of this.
Yeah. I just go to the international store and get the,
Okay.
have them look at the part number.
Right.
But the thing is not a major thing right now, so.
It's not a major thing.
But it's good to have.
Yeah.
I might don't need this belt, you know that?
Huh?
I might don't need this belt.
Not gonna use it.
No. Sometimes you just gotta.
Manhandle.
Can you get in it? Can you guide it up a little bit?
Hell, I'll
I need you to just kind of. I don't want to mess with this.
All right, ready? There you
Perfect.
go. Go all the way.
I know I could have probably got it all the way, but I didn't want to. Right there, here, good enough. There. No, is it? Bit of it. There it is.
There it is.
Because I didn't want to.
Okay, move.
Oh, okay.
Let me have it. Here, bring it in.
All right, so we got the bearing in.
Well, I'm putting it in.
Okay, I could
Let me have that here.
the hammer.
Never use this end of the hammer on a bearing. Okay?
That will mess it up.
All right, now let me have the one nut. This nut right here. All right, give me the socket and
It's right behind you. What size is that socket?
hold on. Spray
Fine.
right here. I messed it up. I'll get a rag.
Yeah, we'll look at it after we're done.
That rotor even looks smaller than that other one.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm like, International said this part number, went to the other, you know, to Rock Auto and other, like, this is the same part, cross-reference.
Yeah.
It should be a little lighter.
Yeah. Well, as long as makes the bus stop.
Yeah.
God almighty. That thing ever gonna tighten down?
You want to get the bar?
Yeah, where's that?
I'll get you right now.
There's the bar right behind you.
It's a big old bar.
Tight.
Down.
Oh yeah.
Down, right?
I got it set. Come on. Yeah, okay, that's good. Now come back up. Hold it, move your bar. Take it off. Take it off.
You can't take it out that way. You know,
So it's tight. know you got it that tight. Hold on. You always want that one a little loose. This one a little loose.
Yeah.
Well, I'll show you why. She's rolling like a champ now. It's right on top, ain't it? Yeah.
Is it supposed to face out this way?
No,
No.
just gotta get it on here. It was a little hard coming off. Screwdriver behind you. Always hit it right there in the yeah. There. Usually I put all that stuff in some gasoline, but we don't have any out here, so we'll just do this. Don't do that. Get your fingers caught. Take your bar, pin, pull it back towards the nut, just like this. This is a lock.
Right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay. Do one over there. One down here. I can't see one.
You want to go with the prep work here?
It only had one holding it. There.
That locks it in place.
It locks it in place. Now that'll tighten up on its own. This other side ought to go better, faster. Since I ain't get your axle, get you some silicone. I know we got some somewhere. Yeah. Right.
You want the can?
No, I don't want the can. Can of what?
Can of cleaner.
I don't want the can of cleaner. Just got through telling you we don't have a one deal of cleaner. And we got to do two sides.
You want me to go grab some?
Just a second. Silicone?
Silicone battery, no?
Yeah, it's got any in it. Turn it. Good. A lot of people put that real thick on there. put a little bit on there.
What's better, a little bit than a lot?
Well, that way it don't get everywhere. It goes in there and locks up against this deal here.
Okay, hold on.
Remember how to put it in?
Yeah, I put it in. Yeah, from doing that.
I can't see it. Came right out of there. Got to go down with that high.
Thank you, sir.
Hold it.
You are so nice.
Hold it. Right there. Pick it up. Put it in. Nuts.
I got you. Yeah.
No. They're studs. That's tight enough.
Sorry, that much dirt on there, huh?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. That's right here. Good. Very good. Okay, now, you know, spray on it maybe?
No.
Okay, fine. Okay, you got it about right.
Huh?
You got it right.
I know I got it right.
I like this bus.
Get out.
Get out.
Yeah.
Get on the front and put the screw in.
I know.
Where's it?
I'm trying to get it straight.
You got it.
Have I got it?
Don't let go.
Why not? I don't know if I got the brake shoe right or not.
Oh, hold on. Yeah, backwards.
What do you mean backwards?
That's go a little bit, no? Yeah.
No, that's going right.
Is it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
You need to push the piston back in some more?
No. Just try to get it go in. Maybe. The pistons are all the way in.
Like this shoe's it's pulled out on the bottom.
Yeah, I know.
And well,
I gotta keep sitting down here.
oh yeah, it's not saying right.
The hell? Somebody just turned.
I got the brake. I got the brake. The parking brake on.
Yeah, but that's only on the transmission. Oh, got the axle in. That won't turn. Hold on. There now. Look how they're right now. I may have to push them brakes in some more.
Yeah. Okay. I'll make it a.
C-clamp. Take a hammer, tap it in.
Yes, sir. We got you.
Bring it down a little bit. Okay? You got to put it in as like a wedge. Okay?
Yeah. There you go.
There you go. Knock it on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Little more. Whoa.
No, we got the.
That's the whole world.
Stack. I was looking for
Don't
the top.
put that in yet.
It's still pretty full. Still pretty full. The brake reservoir.
Yeah.
Always start at the top. You don't want to put them on with this. Yeah. They'll break them. You remember how? Yeah. What's up? This valve right here. This valve, when you get, if you get some air in your lines, and you'll know it when you go push your pedal, go ahead and just break it off just a little bit, like this. You get somebody in there to pump the brakes up and hold their foot on the brake pedal, okay? Then you take this and you go off like that with it, and then let the air out. You'll know when it's got air in it, because it'll shoot it, that air. Right. It'll shoot that brake fluid way over there. You gonna put that in today or next week?
Money, my friend.
All right. Easy enough. Yeah.